Hi friends, today we can see geographical indicators or geographical indications. Geographical indication, it is an indication that originates from a definite geographical territory. It is used to identify goods having special characteristics originating from a definite geographical territory. It is used to identify agricultural, natural, or manufactured goods. The manufactured goods should be processed, produced, or prepared in that territory itself. It should have a special quality or reputation or other characteristics. Benefits of geographical indications. It confers legal protection, that is, it prevents unauthorized use of a registered geographical indication by others. It promotes economic prosperity of the producers of goods produced in that geographical territory. It boosts the export. It can serve as the source identifiers for consumers. It also helps the producers to develop consumer loyalty. It plays a role in consumer decision, including willingness to pay a higher price for regionally branded food products. That is, the consumers are ready to pay a higher price for regionally branded food products. For example, geographic location is an important component of wine pricing. Some important examples of geographical indications in India: Mysore silk, Coorg orange, Basmati rice, Mysore sandalwood oil, Mysore sandal soap, Mysore jasmine, Tirupati laddu, Darjeeling tea, Madhubani paintings, Nanjangud banana, Alfonsa mango, and Kolhapuri chapel. And some examples of geographical indications in the world are Canadian whiskey, tequila, champagne, Florida oranges, and Swiss watches. Who can apply for registration of a geographical indication? Any association of persons, producers, or organization or authority established by or under the law can apply for the registration of a geographical indication. The application must represent the interest of the producer. And applicant should write in a prescribed form. Applicant should be addressed to the registrar of the geographical indication along with prescribed fee. Impact of geographical indications on developing countries. One important example for that is the Mysore rosewood inlay. It is encouraging the rural development in Mysore and facilitates market access. It saves local natural resources and plays an important role in the preservation of cultural identity. Registration is not compulsory. Registration affords better legal protection to facilitate an action for infringement. Registered proprietor and authorized users can initiate infringement actions. The authorized user can exercise exclusive rights to use that geographical indication, and this registration, it is valid for 10 years and renewed from time to time. Why geographical indications to be protected? Because these geographical indications, they are denoting the quality and origin of the products. Good reputation for the product. Preventing the product from generic products or protecting the products from generic products. Protecting the domestic market from competitors. For all these, we have to protect the geographical indications. One example is Channa Patna toys. How can these geographical indications protected? In accordance with international treaties and national laws under a wide range of concepts, Special laws are there for the protection of geographical indications of origin. Also, we can see trademark laws, laws against unfair competitions, consumer protection laws are there, and also specific laws that recognize individual geographical indications. Geographical indication in India. The central government of India has established the Geographical Indications Registry with all India jurisdiction in Chennai. And the Geographical Indication Act is being administered by the Controller General of Patents, Designs and Trademarks. Therefore, the Controller General of Patents, Designs and Trademarks is the Registrar of Geographical Indications. India, as a member of World Trade Organization, enacted the Geographical Indications of Goods Act in 1999, and it is mainly for the registration and protection of geographical indications, and it has come into force with effect from 15th September 2003. Conditions to get geographical indication tag. These goods or services must originate from a defined area, and they must have the qualities, reputations or other characteristics which are clearly linked to that geographical origin of goods. Necessity of geographical indication. Geographical indication is necessary because it allows the producers to obtain market recognition and often a premium price. It has become a key source for niche marketing. It also often associated with non-monetary benefits such as protection of knowledge and community rights. Organization. One of the 17 specialized agencies of United Nations created in 1967. Currently, it has 185 member states and the headquarters it is in Geneva, and it is mainly to promote the protection of intellectual property throughout the world. Some important challenges are low brand value, lack of awareness of rules and regulations, rampant misuse of Indian geographical indications, and immigration of laborers. Why are geographical indications valuable? Geographical indications are a marketing tool. It gives reputation for quality associated with place name used as labels, advertisements, etc. Geographical indications identified products are believed to command higher prices than others. Geographical indications and trademark. Both geographical indications and trademarks they are closely related. Both indicate the product origin, but they differ in two ways. That is, a trademark belongs to a particular company and it distinguishes that company's product only. But geographical indication it is shared by all producers in a specific territory identified by the geographical indication. Geographical indications are attached to a location, but the trademarks don't. Economic and social benefits of geographical indications. Higher retail price and better distribution of economic returns for primary producers. That is, here the primary producers are benefited. Capitalize on consumers' desire for authentic quality products. Production of growth, that is, increased production output and land value. Legal protection creates opportunities for investment in a product and a region. Rural development and sustainability, that is, it provides the right owners with the opportunity to get economic benefits from their geographical indications and also provide the right to exclude the non-entitled users. Next, we can see the steps in registration. Step 1 is the filing of an application, and this application must be filed along with an affidavit, and the application must be made in triplicate and it shall be signed by the applicant or his agent, and the details of the special characteristics and how those standards are maintained must be included in the application. In step 2 and 3, we can see preliminary scrutiny and examination. That is, examiner will scrutinize the application for any deficiencies, and the applicant should be informed within 1 month of communication in this regard, remedy the same. That is, if there is any deficiency, the applicant he must answer within 1 month of notification. Step 4. If the registrar has any objection to the application, he will communicate such objections, and the applicant must respond within 2 months or apply for a hearing. Step 5. Publication in the Geographical Indications Journal. That is, every application within 3 months of acceptance shall be published in the Geographical Indications Journal. In step 6, opposition to registration. Any person can file a notice of opposition within 3 months opposing the geographical indication application which is published in journal, and the registrar shall serve a copy of the notice to the applicant. In step 7, registration where an application for geographical indication has been accepted. That is, registration occurs in step 7. The registrar shall register the geographical indication. If registered, the date of filing of the application shall be deemed to be the date of registration, and the registrar issue to the applicant a certificate with the seal of the Geographical Indication Registry. In step 8, it is renewal. That is, a registered geographical indication shall be valid for only 10 years, and it must be renewed or it can be renewed on payment of renewal fee. That's all about geographical indications. Hope you all understand the session. Thank you. Have a nice day.